Okay, hello everybody. Here is our writing lesson today. You've probably noticed that we are finally almost done with the writing. So for our writing lesson today, what we're going to do is what we finished or what we had 2 days to work on was the drafting part. And that was where you put in your introduction, the topic, where you would really like to go, and then you wrote 3 reasons, 3 details why you would like to visit that place. And then you retold your main idea and you left it in a you retold your main idea and you concluded it all in like 2 sentences, 2 or 3 sentences. That's your conclusion. So you should have already finished that part. So what we have to do today, it says, oops, that's proofreading. We're not there yet. Okay. So what we're going to do today, I just wanted to make sure we were on the right track. Okay, so what we were going to do today is Miss Lena's going to pass out draft your essay. It looks like this. It says draft your essay. On the bottom, it says 2.9. Okay, so you're working on that today. So what am I doing here, Miss Yusuf? You're going to need it says use information from Writer's Notebook 2.8. That's this. You're going to need this paper that you filled out, okay? So you're going to use this paper to help you here. So here you're going to write your title. You have to come up with a title. So you can make your title. Mine would probably be Arctic Adventures because I want to go to Antarctica, right? And it's probably going to be an adventure. You can make up your title. You can make up any title you want. It could be boring, like if you want to go to Mexico, you could just make the title Mexico. Or you can make it fun, like Festive Mexico, or My Beloved Country, Mexico, or whatever you want, okay? But I want you to come up with a title. I would prefer it to be fun or interesting, not boring, okay? Mine would be, as I said before, My Arctic Adventure, okay? So I'm going to write that here, My Arctic Adventure. All right, and you're going to write down your title. You're going to make up your own. All right, once you're done with that part, you're going to write your name, my name, and you're going to write what your name is. Your name is not Noor Yusuf. That's my name. You're going to write your name, okay? Make sure that this is as nice and neat as you can possibly do it, okay? Make sure your handwriting is nice and neat. All right. Now I am going to rewrite my story. What do you mean rewrite my story, Miss Yusuf? I didn't really write my story. Yes, you did. When you plugged it in here, that's your story. So now you're going to rewrite it here on these lines. So what did you write? What was your introduction? I would really like to visit Antarctica. So I'm going to rewrite I would really like to visit Antarctica here. But when I write a story, I need to indent. Indent means leave a space here. So do not start writing here. You need to start writing here, where the X is. Do not start writing your story at the edge. You need to indent because this is the first paragraph or the first part of your story. Whenever you're done with the first part of your story, then you're going to indent again. And that means you're going to leave a space. And then you're going to write the second part here. Just like in a chapter book. Have you guys noticed in a chapter book not all the lines are straight? That's because you have to indent at the beginning of each paragraph. So I indented here, and now I'm going to start writing my story. Well, what am I going to write? You're going to rewrite your introduction. Okay, so what was my introduction here again? My introduction was, I would really like to visit Antarctica. So I'm going to rewrite that here. I would really like to visit Antarctica. So I would really like and you get it, like to, and then visit Antarctica. You know what I mean. I can't write all that, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to rewrite the introduction. Then when I'm done with that, you're going to make sure you have your right punctuation, your period, your capital letters at the beginning of each sentence. And then I'm going to write my body. I would like, and remember, the first thing I would like to do there is I would like to watch the penguins dive in the deep blue freezing ocean. So then I'm going to rewrite that here. So where I left off Antarctica, and then I'm going to write my first idea, my first detail. And then I'm going to write down my second detail, and then my third detail. And then when it's time for me to conclude, and then when you're done writing all three details, and you have a capital letter in the beginning of the sentence, and you have a period at the end of each sentence, then you're going to write your conclusion. And mine was, Antarctica sounds cool. I hope I can visit Antarctica soon. Okay, and that's your paper, and then you're done. So you're going to rewrite that. You're going to rewrite your draft, or it's not really rewriting. You're drafting your essay. That means you're putting all these ideas in one paper rather than having them blocked apart. Okay, so you're going to do that today. And then when you are done, I want this to be the nicest and neatest you can possibly have it. Okay, I might just put these around the room. I might put them on the wall outside. So you remember, if your name is on something, you want it to be the nicest and neatest. People are going to know that this is your work. Okay, so when you're done with this, you can go ahead and turn it into Miss Selena. Now, we don't have to worry about this proofreading and all of that, publishing. We're going to work on that next week when I get back. So right now, what I really want you to do is just to make sure that you finish drafting your essay. Okay? And then when you're done, you're going to turn it into Miss Selena. I need you to work hard because you need to finish this today. And if for some reason you don't finish it today, don't take it home. Put it in your reading folder, and then me and you can talk about it when I get back on Monday. I should be back on Monday. Okay, guys? All right. Have fun learning. If you have any questions, let me know.